everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles in InVideo AI and make your videos easier to understand, follow, and watch. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Then open the video project where you want to add subtitles. Before adding captions, preview your video and listen carefully to the narration. Make sure the script and voiceover are already in good shape. Next, look for the text, subtitle, or caption
Caleb.
options available in
This
the
pair
video
is too
editor.
ugly for my wife.
I said I'd be a
Choose the
good wife.
appropriate option to add subtitles to your project. If InVideo AI automatically generates captions from your narration, review the generated text carefully. Check for spelling mistakes, missing words, incorrect punctuation, and pronunciation-related errors. Now make sure the subtitle timing matches the voiceover. Each line should appear when the corresponding words are being spoken. Keep your subtitle text short.
Why did you come in
and
here to
easy
waste my
read.
time then?
Avoid placing too many words on the screen at once because viewers need enough time to read them comfortably. Next, check the subtitle placement. Make sure the captions don't cover important parts of the video, such as product images, screenshots, graphics, or other essential information. You should also make sure the text is clearly visible against the background. Choose a readable style